Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, welcome to my new continuation lecture number 4. इस लेक्चर में हम कोलाइडल सॉल्यूशन के जो एप्लीकेशन है उसके मुतालिक हम बात करेंगे. So the applications of colloidal solutions. So the first one is therapy. In therapy, the colloidal system, they are used as a therapeutic agents in different areas. Colloidal solutions chicken these among saraya colloidal system chicken de among as a therapeutic agents istimalo. Sanchi the treatment purpose the para. Normally chisanga drugs or medicines manga istimalo. No the colloidal solutions chicken de that they you target the humde among the treatment purpose the para istimalo. For example, हमारे पास silver colloids है. Silver colloids, they are used as the germicidals. Copper colloid, they are used as an anti-cancer. And mercury colloid, they are used as an antisyphilis. Silver colloids, damang as a germicidal agents istimal ho. They banimanga the germs killing ko. Now killing mean they are used for therapeutic purpose. Second हमारे पास है copper colloids. Copper colloids, it is used as an anti-cancer agents. दमंग द कैंसर खिलाफ इस्तेमाल हो यानी द ट्रीटमेंट बतौरी ट्रीटमेंट है मुंगा इस्तेमाल हो दगा शान कोलाइड्स मर्करी कोलाइड्स हम दे ची दमंग द एज अ एंटीसिपिलिस इस्तेमाल हो कम चीज मुंग सरा द sexually transmitted disease थी सेकंड जमुंग सरा दे स्टेबिलिटी Stability mean, for example, lyophobic colloids, they prevent flocculation and suspension. So, in colloidal suspension, stability is one of the major issue. For example, if lyophobic colloids, they are used, so it will prevent the flocculation. They actually agglomeration या stacking चिकन दे या coagulation चिकन दे ठीक था दाबा suspension की prevent कई flocculation पर prevent कई colloidal dispersion of gelatin is used in coating over tablets and granules which upon drying leaves a uniform dry film over them and protect them from adverse condition of the atmosphere. The colloidal dispersion of gelatin is used as for the coating of tablets and granules which upon drying leaves a uniform dry film over them and protect them from the adverse conditions of the atmospheres. So these are the different applications of colloidal solutions. So I will proceed this lecture, inshallah. In my next lecture, we will talk about absorption.